When a leader leads, you must carry your people along. You must fight for your people, but at the same time you must respect others. Then there are many other political parties. They will come here and give so many speeches against the National People's Party. They will work with the National People's Party when it is convenient for them. And when the election campaign comes, they will go and speak against the National People's Party. Friends, I want to tell them, in our culture, in the Indian culture as well as in the Khasi culture and in the Garo culture also, we don't spit on the plate from which we eat. Please remember, we don't. We are good and we are kind and we work together because we believe in working together. It is sad today to see some of these leaders giving this speech today just because election is coming. I have never uttered a single word against these people. But it hurts me today when I hear such language and such divisive politics that people are playing. This is not healthy for our people and for our state. Believes in uniting our people. The National People's Party believes in positive politics. The National People's Party believes in developmental politics. The Western bypass that's going to come from here, more than an 800 crore project, has been moved by the National People's Party. And we will bring this project to transform the lives of the people living in this area. Almost 80% of the Western bypass will go from this constituency. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the lives that will change? The employment that will be generated? The tourism that will develop? The farmers who will be benefited? This is the developmental politics of the National People's Party. I know that you have problem of school out here. I assure you that as we move forward, the demands that have been mentioned out here today, whether it is regarding different health facilities, regarding different educational facilities, I cannot promise during election campaign, as you know. So I'm not going to promise, but I can tell you that these are all agendas that I have discussed with your local MLA. And we will